Hi everyone, it's Coach Fred here, and today I'm going to be going over a question that involves word problems, but also ratios and proportions, or ratios in this case. I find these to be very tricky, and so I'm going to use some language that I kind of use to help me. So it says the ratio of the number of Jimmy's paper clips to the number of Sam's paper clips is 3:7. So I want to start there. So we're talking about just the number of Jimmy's paper clips and the number of Sam's paper clips. So just the number. And then it says 50% of Jimmy's paper clips are red. So now they've identified a color to the paper clips. And 75% of Sam's paper clips are red. Okay? So I'm going to save that for another time. If Sam has 16 more paper clips than Jimmy, how many more red paper clips does Sam have than Jimmy? Okay, then Jimmy. I'll add that. Sorry. All right, so we've got two parts. We have the number of paper clips along with the color of the paper clips. But because that's where the ratio is on the number of paper clips, that's where I need to start. All right, so I have to introduce a variable. And this is what I do, and not every teacher does this. I always, in these problems, let x equal, I call it the ratio multiplier. I don't know where I came up with that. Okay, the ratio multiplier, and it's based on the number of paper clips, okay? But all I know is that Jimmy and Sam are in the ratio of 3:7. So I'm going to say that 3 times the ratio multiplier is the number of Jimmy's paper clips. And then 7 times x is the number of Sam's paper clips. Now, some teachers are just going to jump to 3x and 7x, and that's totally fine. I just am like, what does this x represent? So that's why I do it. All right, so the question, if Sam has 16 more paper clips than Jimmy, how many red paper clips does he have? I have to deal with the number of paper clips first. So I'm going to use this part of the equation. I'm annotating. I'm going to use this part of the equation to actually write an equation to find x. So that would give me, Sam has 16 more than Jimmy. So Jimmy plus 16 would be equal to Sam, right? Because we need them, if we're going to use the equal symbol, we need to balance it out. So we got to give 16 to Jimmy so that they're equal. All right, so then I solve that and subtract 3x. So I get 16 equals 4x, and so x equals 4. So that tells me that this is 4. So I know that Jimmy has 12 paper clips, 3 times 4, and I know that Sam has 28 paper clips. Okay, so now it says that 50% of Jimmy's paper clips are red. So 50% of Jimmy's are red. So we know that 6 of Jimmy's are red, okay? And so 3/4 of Sam's, or 75% of Sam's are red. So that's 3/4. 75% means 3/4. So I'm going to do 3/4 times 28. Remember, it's like a little fraction here, so I can simplify. 4 goes into 28 7 times. So it looks like Sam has 21 red, and Jimmy has 6 red. The question is asking me, how many more red paper clips does Sam have than Jimmy? So I'm going to do 21 minus 6, and it would be 15. So Sam has 15 more red paper clips. All right, so hopefully that was a helpful video. Have a great day.